Good morning, everyone. My name is Gauri Singh, and my topic is the importance of emotional health for happy life. Emotional health is nothing but emotional wellness of a person. And emotional wellness is to have positive attitude and high self-esteem in life. It is the ability to recognize and share a wide range of feelings in a constructive way. No situation or event occurs with a mandatory emotions or reaction. As we reign our emotions, therefore, we are the in charge of our emotions. So, next time, don't expect others to change. Change your emotions and reactions toward them. Emotional illness is not able to control our emotions. It is a psychological disorder characterized by irrational and uncontrollable fear, persistent anxiety, and severe hostility. When a person is emotionally ill, it affects all areas of his life. Like, they don't like what they eat, they stress too much, compromising both their mental and physical health. With so unstable emotions, they are not able to give time to their relationship. And when their social relationship get messed up, they do not able to focus on their work, disturbing their financial health. And in today's world with so costly living, we seriously cannot afford our financial health getting disturbed. So, by now, I hope you all have understood how important is our emotional health. How emotional health can make our life living hell or heaven. Now, don't confuse emotional health by being happy all the time. Emotional wellness is not about that. Emotional wellness is our ability to understand, to be responsive to the emotional experience. So now, let's check your emotional health. On the scale of 1 to 10, 1 for the lowest emotional health, 10 for the highest emotional health. See where you stand. Now, follow these tips to boost or maintain your emotional health. First, be optimistic all the time, no matter what situation you are in. Second, don't hold any unpleasant emotion for too long. Third, meditate daily. Relax your mind. Fourth, and the most important step, follow SOS emotions. S for stop. Pause for a minute after every hour. O, observe. Know what you are thinking. S for switch. Change the dark emotions with bright positive emotions. These simple steps, if you follow regularly, can change your emotional health data graph plus your life in a real positive